First we'll take balloons. I have 2 black color balloons and 2 golden color balloons. These are chrome balloons, and first we are going to inflate them. After we have inflated the balloons, we will make numbers. I have the number 2 in gold color twice, and I have the number 0 in black color, and we will make a 1 on black color paper. We're going to take glue, apply glue, and we will paste this in the middle of our balloon. After we have pasted the numbers, we'll take ribbon. I took gold color ribbon and silver color ribbon. I have 4 pieces, and I'll tie on each balloon 4 pieces of these ribbons. Take the length according to your choice. The length of my ribbon is 50 centimeters. And then we will lightly curl these ribbons, very lightly. We'll do this with all 4 balloons that we have. Next, I have here a square of 10 by 10 centimeters. We'll fold this in half. Bring this side till here on the half. Fold this side over here. And fold this piece over here. Now we will make a cut. And we will use this star as a stencil on gold and black color paper, and we will make many stars out of these. So we'll simply draw over these. In the same way, we'll make many pieces in the color black and in the color gold. After we have made our black and gold stars, we'll take our ribbon again, and this time we'll keep the length of the ribbon 20 centimeters. We'll take our ribbon pieces, and with tape we'll paste it here on the back side of our star. And with scissors we will lightly curl these ribbons. And that's the same that we are going to do with each piece star in both gold and black color. And now it's time to decorate. Let me know in the comment section below how you did like this DIY. If you did like it, Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Do check all the other decorations on my channel. I have many other decoration ideas. Check them out and I'm sure you will find something to make your occasion special. And if you don't want to miss any of my future decorations, then make sure to click on the red subscribe button below and subscribe.